Is your PS5 displaying NP-104291-7 error message while accessing a content on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. You mostly get error NP-104291-7 on PS5 while trying to access a content. The specific error indicates that the license information of the content cannot be confirmed. When you get such an error, first sign out of your PSN account and then sign in back. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select users and accounts, then other, then sign out. Wait for a few minutes, then sign in again with the correct user account credentials, then try to launch the game and check. Method 2. Check the PSN status. The next thing you should check is the PS5 server status. To check that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select View PlayStation Network status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then try to restore the license. Method 3. Try restoring the license. Open PS5 settings, then select users and accounts, then other, then choose restore licenses. If this didn't help, move on to the next method. Method 4. Enable console sharing and offline play. Next, enable the console sharing and offline play option. To do so, go to settings, then select users and accounts, then other. Now select console sharing and offline play and enable console sharing and offline play settings. Method 5. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect the controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 6. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 7. Contact PSN support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error NP-104291-7 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.